an architecture that follows the linearity of the terrain, emphasizing horizontality and robustness. In an area of over 2,000 square meters of preserved native cerrado vegetation, Paineiras House land has a noticeable slope. The implementation values the topography. The garage minimized earth movement and supports the upper volume. Upon entering the house, one is surprised by the duality of the architecture, which closes itself off to the street and opens up internally, creating integrated spaces enhanced by large glass panels that allow natural light to enter and create panoramic views. The triangular infinity edge pool is another highlight, deviating from the linearity of the project. The corridor providing access to the private area ensures privacy for the residents while interacting with the main facade through a floor-to-ceiling window. This same opening on the facade, accentuating the horizontality of the architecture, was also designed to provide a view to the family pet, becoming its favorite spot. The master suite is an oasis, with a niche framing the view of the valley and glass windows merging with the treetops, transporting residents to an atmosphere completely different from the urban environment. The conception was guided by the pursuit of harmony between the built environment and the landscape, providing residents with the sensation of living in symbiosis with the forest.